boys and girls, and welcome to Story Time at Home. My name's Andrea and I'm from the library. Let's start by singing our hello song. Can you all wave? Good job. We wave and say hello. We wave and say hello. With our friends at Story Time, we wave and say hello. Now can you clap? We clap and say hello. We clap and say hello. With our friends at Story Time, we clap and say hello. How about stomping those feet? Can you stomp your feet and sing hello? We stomp and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. With our friends at Story Time, we stomp and sing hello. And if you'd like, you can get up on your feet and do a little jumping right now. Why don't you do that? Let's jump and say hello. Let's jump and say hello. With our friends at Story Time, let's jump and say hello. Good job. All right, let's come a look and see our family here. Come a look and see. Here's my mama. Come a look and see. Here's my papa. Come a look and see my brother tall, sister and baby. I love them all. Give them a kiss. Mwah. And let's do it one more time with the other hand. Come a look a see, here's my mama. Come a look a see, here's my papa. Come a look a see my brother tall, sister and baby. I love them all. This time I'm gonna give him a big hug. Oh, I love hugs and kisses with my family. That's the best. All right, let's wake up all those body parts, shall we? Let's wake up those feet first. Let's wake up and wiggle. Wake up feet, wake up feet, wake up feet, and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up feet, wake up feet, wake up and wiggle in the morning. Wake up hands, wake up hands. Wake up hands and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up hands, wake up hands. Wake up and wiggle in the morning. Wake up shoulders, wake up shoulders. Wake up shoulders and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up shoulders, wake up shoulders. Wake up and wiggle in the morning. Now let's wake up those ears, shall we? Because we're going to have a story. So let's wake up those ears. Wake up ears, wake up ears. Wake up ears and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up ears, wake up ears. Wake up and wiggle in the morning. Good job. All right, are those ears awake? I'd like to start today with a story. Now this story takes place in a tree. That's right, it takes place in a tree. In this tree lives a little gray dove. A little gray dove. She's quite happy in her little tree. That's where she lives. Now, in the garden where this tree is, lives meow, meow. In the garden lives a kitten. Now, this cat does its thing on the ground right here, and this bird does its thing up here in the tree. And the bird has noticed the cat, but the cat pays no attention to him, so they don't worry about each other. One day, a lady came into the garden, and she brought paint. Pink and green and blue and red and yellow and purple. Well, the little gray dove noticed all those beautiful colors and thought to herself, wow, what beautiful colors those are. I would love to be beautiful colors like that. And she wondered what the lady was going to do with those pots of paint. Well, pretty soon, the bird decided that she didn't want to wait anymore. She wanted to be pink and green and blue and red and yellow and purple. And she came down, flutter, 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 down to the ground when the cat wasn't looking, and dipped her feathers right into all those pots of paint. Well, when she was done, she had pink feathers and green feathers and purple feathers and red feathers and blue feathers and yellow feathers. She had so many beautiful feathers. She was very happy now until our little friend, the kitty. Wow, look at that beautiful bird up there. I never noticed her up there. And she tried to jump up and catch the little gray dove. Well, the little gray dove was very upset. Oh my goodness, what have I done? That cat has never noticed me before. But now, with my beautiful bright feathers, the cat has noticed me and she's trying to catch me. Oh no! Now the bird was scared and she wishes that she was just her old beautiful gray self. Well, lucky for her, the rain cloud came by and washed all those colors away until she was her beautiful gray self again. And the kitten didn't bother with her anymore. She was not interesting anymore. And the little gray dove thought, it is really good to just be myself. I will not try to be something else ever again. Gray is best, she said. And that was the story of how the little gray bird decided that gray is best. All right, we're going to say goodbye to our bird and goodbye to our kitty. Let's do some more songs, shall we? I have some songs that we could sing together. Or how about a rhyme first? Can you cup your hands like this? This is a nest. Then you can put your hands together like this. That's going to be a beehive. Then we're going to make a big hole with those hands like this. That's going to be the hole for the rabbit. And then we're going to go like this and make a peak. That's going to be our house. All right, let's do that all together and I will say the rhyme. Here is a nest for Robin Redbreast, and here is a hive for Busy Bee. Here is a hole for Jackie Rabbit, and here is a house for me. Can we do that one more time? One more time. Here is a nest for Robin Redbreast, and here is a hive for Busy Bee. Here is a hole for Jackie Rabbit, and here is a house for me. Good job. How about we get out our little dicky birds? Can you pretend that your fingers are little birds? Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. How about two little dicky birds sitting on a cloud? One named Quiet and one named Loud. Fly away, Quiet. Fly away, Loud. Fly back, Quiet. Fly back, Loud. Nice. How about one more? How about two little dicky birds sitting in the snow? One named High, one named Low. Fly away, High. Fly away, Low. fly back low. Can you make your voice high and low? Of course you can. All right, I'm going to do another song right here. This one is introducing our cute teddies. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see them all? Right there. And 5. Can you show me 5? Good job. 5 cute teddies sitting on the wall. 5 cute teddies sitting on the wall. And if one cute teddy should accidentally fall, there'll be 4 cute teddies sitting on the wall. 5 take away 1 is 4. 4 cute teddies sitting on the wall. 4 cute teddies sitting on the wall. And if one cute teddy should accidentally fall, there'll be 3 cute teddies sitting on the wall. 4 take away 1 is 3. 3 cute teddies sitting on the wall. 3 cute teddies sitting on the wall. And if one cute teddy should accidentally fall, there'll be 2 cute teddies sitting on the wall. 3 take away 1 is 2. 2 cute teddies sitting on the wall. 2 cute teddies sitting on the wall. And if one cute teddy should accidentally fall, there'll be 1 cute teddy sitting on the wall. 2 take away 1 is 1. 1 cute teddy sitting on the wall. 1 cute teddy sitting on the wall. And if one cute teddy should accidentally fall, there'll be no cute teddies sitting there at all. 1 take away 1 is 0. No more teddies. But that's okay. We can pick them up again after. All right. How about we do our little movement song, shall we? Can you find your head? That's right. Can you find your shoulders? Good job. Can you find your knees? Nice. How about your toes? You've got it way down there. Let's sing the song and do the actions together, shall we? All right. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. Eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. Very nice. Can we try it one more time and go just a little bit faster? I bet you can. Let's try it. Just a little bit faster. You still have to say the words and do the actions, okay? Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. Eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. Good job. Now, should we go super duper fast? Can you go super duper fast? Let's try. Ready? Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. Eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. Good job. Good job. All right. Now let's do If You're Happy and You Know It. Are you happy today? Excellent. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, say hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, say hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Stomp, stomp, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! Good job. All right. Can we do the more we get together? Remember, more and together and friends. Good job. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Good job. And how about Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree, peekaboo. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Beautiful. And how about twinkle, twinkle? Can we do our twinkle, twinkle? Ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Wonderful. Now it's time for us to say goodbye. It's time for us to say goodbye. Goodbye, everybody, goodbye, cha-cha-cha. It's time for us to say goodbye. Goodbye, everybody, goodbye, cha-cha-cha. Good job. We'll see you all next time.